Happy St. Patty's Day! Woo! Happy St. Patty's Day! And I'm telling you this.
So we're going to construct a proper Irish car bomb.
Ooh.
So now we have our nice foamy head on our Guinness beer. We're going to take our shots and drop them in. Part in the beginning I screwed it up.
You have to drink it fast? Oh, God. I have to do that? Oh, Lord.
And that's how it's done. She did it.
I did it. So we celebrated St. Patrick's Day yesterday in Arizona, in Phoenix, Arizona. and we went to a parade, and we also went to the fair, saw some live music, had some green beer. It was an awesome day. We made some new friends. And if you're watching, hi guys. And we really had a great time yesterday. And then today we went to a local bar with our friend. We didn't film. Did we film any of it? We didn't film any of it. But we had another good day. And now we just did our Irish car bomb. So we had a really good St. Patrick's Day. And we really loved our time here in this part of Arizona. And we're moving on to another part of Arizona tomorrow.
Cop.
So thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you next time.
We love and have you along on our ventures.
Happy St. Patty's Day.